Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix mobile data issues on the Realme 14 Pro. So the first one, I will start by opening settings, open mobile network, and when you are here, just be sure that you turn on the mobile data for sure and go into data usage. When you are here, be sure that you turn off data usage limit and the same for mobile data saving. Or for example, if you are using this one, be sure that the application that you are using, it's not restricted. So this is the first tip. Next, you can also simply check for the airplane mode. Be sure that the airplane mode is actually turned off. Now, you can also check the APN settings. So to do this, we have to go back for the mobile network. Now, we'll have to go into one of our SIM card or eSIM and go into access point names. This is the APN. So here you will have to go for your carrier website and be sure that you input the same thing right here on the general and multimedia messages if you also have some issue with them. The another tip, you can simply perform the reset of the mobile network settings. So scroll all the way down and go for system and update. Now select backup and reset. Go into reset phone, select reset network and Bluetooth settings, input your screen lock method and click reset. If it is still not working, then sometimes the simple reboot can help you. So what I mean, just restart your phone, not reset, just restart. So click and hold the power key and simply drag to restart and release. Sometimes it really works. You can also try to test your phone with another SIM. Maybe there's some kind of the issue with your SIM card, maybe it is broken, maybe it expired. So try to actually another eSIM. You can also try to update your software. Go into software, then you will have to scroll into system and update and be sure that you are using the latest system version. If nothing works, your network provider might have an issue. So it's highly recommended to call into your network provider and ask for some solutions.